In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make fast photo video editing using CapCut. If you want a clean, stylish photo reel you can post quickly, this workflow will help you move from blank project to a polished, dynamic slideshow with minimal effort. Start by opening CapCut, either in your web browser or the mobile or desktop app. On the home screen, create a new project. This opens a fresh timeline where you'll build your video. Before you add anything, set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's the vertical format used by most short-form platforms, and choosing it now prevents awkward cropping later. Next, import the images you want to feature. You can add them all at once. High-resolution photos look best, but try to keep a consistent orientation so everything feels cohesive. After the upload, you'll see the images in your media panel and on the timeline. Now arrange your photos in the order you want them to appear. Think about a simple story or flow. Start strong, group similar shots together, and finish with a memorable image. Shorter on-screen durations create that fast, punchy rhythm. Around a second per photo works well for quick edits. If a subject is off-center, feel free to adjust the framing so the key details sit nicely within the vertical canvas. This is where you should take your time. A few seconds spent on ordering and timing makes the whole edit feel intentional and smooth. Once your sequence feels right, click a photo on the timeline to open its settings. Go to the animation options and choose the combo category. Combos apply an in and out movement in one go, which is perfect for speed. For this style, alternate between Pendulum 1 and Pendulum 2 across your images. Select Pendulum 1 for the first photo, then Pendulum 2 for the next, and continue alternating down the line. This creates a consistent swing that feels dynamic without being chaotic. Adjust the animation duration if needed. A slightly shorter duration feels snappier. A touch longer gives photos more breathing room. Keep it consistent so the motion rhythm matches your timing. Continue selecting each image, opening animation, choosing combo, and applying either Pendulum 1 or Pendulum 2 in that alternating pattern. When everything is animated, play your timeline from the beginning. Watch for any photo that lingers too long or moves too slowly. Then tweak the clip length or animation duration so the energy stays even. With your images arranged, animations applied, and timing dialed in, you've built a fast, eye-catching photo video in CapCut. Great job!